you.
Now, I want you to tell me about yourself. You have more information now. Lisa?
Okay, I'm from Hamburg, Germany. I live on Besserstrasse. I am 27 years old. I speak German. I speak English. I like pizza.
Okay. Isabel?
I am from Paris, France. I'm 23 years old. I have long and straight hair. I speak French. I'm quiet. I like George Clooney.
And Ali?
I'm Ali Aksoy. I am from Istanbul, Turkey. I am Turkish. I speak Turkish. I am outgoing. I have short brown hair. I don't have a mustache. I like football.
Great. Now, listen and write.
Listen and write.
Let's do our dictation. Listen and write these words. Number 1, American. Number 2, Germany. Number 3, like. Number 4, understand. Number 5, Turkish. Now check your work. Number 1, American. Number 2, Germany. Number 3, like. Number 4, understand. Number 5, Turkish. Now, listen and write these sentences. Number 1, Ali is from Turkey. Number 2, he speaks Turkish. Number 3, he is 21 years old. 4, we speak English. 5, they don't speak French. Now, check your work. Number 1, Ali is from Turkey. Number 2, he speaks Turkish. Number 3, he is 21 years old. Number 4, we speak English. Number 5, they don't speak French. Now, read this story and answer the questions.
Read and answer.
Barbara is from Australia. She is Australian. She lives in Sydney. She is 25 years old. She is tall and good-looking. She has short brown hair. She speaks English. She doesn't speak Chinese. Barbara likes the cinema. She likes Keanu Reeves. Now, answer the questions. Number 1, where is Barbara from? Number 2, how old is she? Number 3, is she tall? Number 4, does she speak Chinese? Number 5, does Barbara like Keanu Reeves? Now, check your work. Number 1, where is Barbara from? She's from Australia. Number 2, how old is she? She's 25 years old. Number 3. Is she tall? Yes, she is. Number 4. Does she speak Chinese? No, she doesn't. Number 5. Does Barbara like Keanu Reeves? Yes, she does.